Guys, the snow is so bad. This thing fell off. Started snowing out of nowhere. Believe it or not, this is my first time ever experiencing snow in Manhattan. I have not experienced snow during Manhattan. I was always in Brooklyn or Philadelphia, somewhere, you know, or Jersey as well. It's magical, honestly. Oh, what the hell? Look at that. Looks like holy water. If it is or is not, look at that. Beautiful. Dude, let's get a closer look at this. I believe it's a British brand, right? If it's not, then you can correct me. Very not well versed into cars. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, sorry, I'm just vlogging.
I thought that you were a YouTuber.
Can't even open my eyes. So this is Madison Square Park, not Garden Park, and it's all covered in snow. Mr. Professor here is all baked in white stuff. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna slip. Yeah, it feels like Christmas all over again.
It looks like Harry Potter.
Alright? I have never experienced a snow kind of like this,
No?
that hits on your face.
It's the first time.
No. I mean, yeah, but like, you know, snow on your face. Oh, hey, what's up? That guy came out of nowhere for
Which
me.
table you want?
Which table I want? Be careful. Oh no, I'm sorry. Oh no. Guys, the snow is so bad. This thing fell off. The snowstorm in New York is it's bad. No, I'm joking. That's just a design. It actually didn't fall. It was like this before. Oh my god, it's all frozen. Feels like the day after tomorrow. I kind of admire the snowman because he has been in this cold the whole night. Cool guy. Yeah, yesterday was like a bad winter storm. The snow just came out of nowhere. I was in Manhattan, went to a rooftop, it was cool. Did not take this camera because, you know, I was worried that it'll get wet and it's not waterproof, so I was just afraid it might die off. Seeing like how the houses look like. It feels like this movie, Day After Tomorrow, if you guys have seen it. It's also based out of New York where everything just freezes to like 0 point. Freezes where, like, you know, the atomic particles stop vibrating. So it's like absolute zero. I think it's 0 Kelvin. At that point, nothing can be sustained. It's like space. Space is, I believe, 0 Kelvin. Let me poke this. Boop. Damn, that's a lot of snow. And my finger is gonna get a frostbite. Damn it. I shouldn't have done this. It's cold. Oh, somebody left their keys here. This thing. Oh man, this is the worst thing about snow. This moist slushy of mud. Oh god damn it. I should have worn better shoes. The bus stop seats are covered in snow. Imagine leaving your butt marks on that seat. This thing is going to be a very big challenge to maneuver through. You gotta see it for yourself. Yeah. A stranger walked through here. Look at that. Damn, you see that ice over there? That thing is frozen, like completely frozen. But that water, it's moving, so that's why it's not frozen. Because, you know, there's motion in the ocean. Damn, I would hate to be a boat owner at this time of year. One of my friends, he owns a boat. He told me that the best thing about owning a boat is the day you buy the boat and the day you sell the boat. Because boat maintenance is expensive as hell. And just keeping it afloat like that, yeah, those boats are no bueno. They're no condition to swim or be on waters or be on the seas. Oh God, no, 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 no. Oh, my Levi's. I hate having cold feet. It's the worst feeling ever. Look, there's a duck gang over there. That's cute. I would love to be a part of that duck gang. Ducks are cool. I like ducks. Look at that, even more ducks. Hey, honestly, walking in the snow is like an adventure of its own. It's like, if you have seen this movie Dune, it's like, you know, where they have to step like one step here, one step there, and it's like it's out of sequence. Just like that, you gotta walk in snow, because you might slip and fall. You just basically have to have a grip, because it's very slippery. Yeah. Trust me, walking or running in the snow should be like a sport of its own. Oh look, a frozen banana. I think that might be the coolest banana in the world. Just like these glasses. These are super cool, by the way. Cazals. This one is like my personal favorite. So yeah, New York City faced a storm, and I thought I would document it and show you guys how it looks. It's cold. It's not fun. It's not like Frozen. There's no singing. There's no Elsa. There's no let it go, let it go. There's no more of that cringe. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will keep showing you more of the cool things. So towards that like button, subscribe, like, share, comment, so YouTube knows I exist on this platform. Please, thank you. Subscribe to win one of these Cazals. Towards that.